Watch the silver Volvo jump in the lights. And again.
Compulsive red light jumper. That's absolutely disgraceful. People just so flagrantly just jump around. Again, another situation to get him where exactly the same space and place as he was.
I say, because you could see the lights up there were red, so what was the point in that?
No. It's honestly something that people often say to me doing this job as well, that that don't people feel a little bit freaked out? Well, honestly, did you feel freaked out?
Why though? Just ignore him.
I'm only telling you because I was coming up the road, mate. There's no need to call me a dickhead. It's jog on.
Move it, lad.
Move it, lad.
Oh my god.
Aren't they unbelievable?
You just gotta control the situation, you know what I mean? You just
Yeah.
you gotta be the wise one, you know what I
Aren't
mean?
they unbelievable?
I've seen them loads of times in my job as well, and yeah, they are unbelievable. But look at him. I mean, he's just thinking about how he's gonna get his next weed from.
So, creep, never feel rushed. It's like here now, never feel rushed to get round this cyclist. You go round him when you have enough room and it's safe to. Is anyone overtaking us? Is anyone overtaking the other cyclists? When are you going to go round? Good. Well done. And then the taxi driver.
I cannot stress how dangerous this manoeuvre was. With the junctions either side, if someone did emerge without looking, honestly, doesn't bear thinking about.
Overtakes you when you're overtaking a cyclist. Is it safe to go around them yet? So
Jess had drank too much. So we don't want to
Has she admitted that? Or?
So we don't want to just cause trouble. So it's one of those things. Wow. Seriously, what?
Superb reaction from that guy.
What did he do?
He just went, what the F?
This clip has been passed to me by one of my instructors. Now, this is quite close to where I live, and it's a road that I deal with all the time, and quite often there are roadworks. And people often get things wrong. So we've got to deal with this, but this guy finds quite an interesting way of dealing with his mistake.
That's it. Go the wrong way down a one-way street, Mr. Taxi Driver.
Same road, different day, different taxi driver, different outcome.
Do you know what as well? One of our clients come in, and she's a driver instructor, but she works for.
Driving schools also get things wrong. Look at this instructor going the wrong way, down a one-way street. And before anyone comments, no, it wasn't one of mine. Look how far away the car in front is from the lights when they change to amber.
And therefore what we've got to go off and do.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'd like you to do is, as we're doing this driving, is just have a quick look at my steering as I do this as well.
Wow.
Yeah, wow, I agree. Good, yeah, keep up with the flow, that's fine. Is that lorry going through that one? And the amount of damage that they're going to do with those things, terrific. Just straight, please, mate, if I say nothing. Don't worry, I have not forgot. You could do with going through there a bit quicker. Say again?
Leaving space behind there.
You're not wrong, mate. Them estate cars are renowned for being dead sporty as well, aren't they? It is quite a quick car, but
I think since we've driven like that round, yeah.
drive it like you stole it. I think that comes to mind with that one, Charlie, doesn't it?
There's no good time to jump red lights, but at school times, honestly, despicable.
This car, the Mondeo, is not catching me that quick. If I'd have been too slow there, it would have been a problem, wouldn't it? Do you understand? Good. More brake. More brake. Good. Less brake. Now come to a stop. See that PM?